So the course is ideal for students who are coming from school who want to follow a path into a career, maybe into construction management or civil engineering. The course is split up into units which cover the main aspects of both areas, the construction management side and the civil engineering side. Some of the units are practical elements, so we try and get as much practical for the students to enjoy, so it's not all theory based. They'll be doing a surveying unit where we do the theory side of the surveying, but we also go out and do the practical side as well. So they'd be setting out buildings, we'd be surveying land, doing topographic maps. We also do a design unit, so we use a CAD software. We use a 3D software called Revit, which we design the buildings, and then we use VR, which is virtual reality, to actually walk through the buildings, and we can see their models from a realistic view.
I came across this college's course, and when having the talk with the lecturer about enrolling in the course, it was a case of either I go to a different college and start all my work from scratch, or I come to this college and progress further. For me, the most appealing bit about this course is the practical. I do enjoy going outside and seeing how all the machinery and equipment work.
I find the theory is the most appealing part of it, of a normal day, because I enjoy just learning about the course and what I'm going to be doing in the future.
Progression from this course is, one, you can go and do a HNC with us at the college. Two, you could go to university to follow a path that you choose. We have links with employers, so we do tend to sometimes get some works experience offers in and maybe some placements from employers sometimes.
Going forward, it's been mentioned by the lecturers that I can move on to a HNC and then move on to a HND. What I plan on getting out of this is becoming a quantity surveyor.
This is the first step of the ladder into a career path into those routes.